Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Nissan Rogue key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having a clean, well-lit area will make this process much easier. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and keep your key fob working perfectly. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side and press it to slide out the emergency key. This reveals a small slot. Use your flathead screwdriver or coin in this slot to gently pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to use too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. The goal is to separate the casing without causing damage. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, which often has a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and functionality for your key fob. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Then, slide the emergency key back into its slot until you hear a click. Now, it's time to test. Try locking and unlocking your vehicle to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.